Alright, hey guys, so we're going to be doing an oil change on the Jeep today. We're actually going to be switching over to synthetic, which I think will be good for the motor because it's getting a little bit up there in the miles. But an oil change in itself isn't really anything to write home about, but what I did want to show you was what I have here in place of my factory drain plug. So you can see there's a little cap, and what this does is cover a little quick disconnect. And this is a system made by I believe they're a German company called Stahlbus. And you can see there's a little quick connect fitting with a tube attached to it. And to drain your used motor oil, all you have to do is simply insert this and then give it a little twist. And you can see, and you can see our motor oil just comes flowing out. And it's super easy. It's much cleaner than removing a bolt and then just letting that fall down and letting your oil run out. Yeah, it's just very convenient, super easy system. I've had this installed for a couple of years now. I saw about it on another YouTube video and I just had to try it out, and I'm really glad I did. But yeah, I just thought you guys might like to take a look. I thought somebody might find this useful, at least I was hoping somebody would. If you're interested in picking one of these up, I'll put a link down below and you can pick one up off Amazon. Yeah, it's pretty easy, as you can see. And it just drains our motor oil in no time. All you have to do is just let it sit there and it'll take care of itself. You can see it's just about done. Alright, well, while this is finishing up, I'm going to go remove my old oil filter and get ready to put in the new synthetic. Alright. New filter's going in. And that's 24 millimeter. All right, now that our oil's all drained out, all we have to do is simply twist, and then it pops right out. Pretty handy. All right. And I'll just a quick wipe down, and you can see no more oil will come out. Then we just simply return our cap. All right, and it's just that easy. I mean, I know that oil changes really aren't that complicated as is, but this just kind of makes it a little bit easier. All right. And if you were wondering which synthetic we're switching to, a little royal purple. All right. All right, and then when I'm done, I take our quick disconnect end to the end of our oily tube, and then I simply just slide it over, and it stays perfectly together. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And then what I'll do is just throw this in the rear of my Jeep, and that way if I'm ever somewhere and I need to get the oil out for whatever reason, I have it handy. Yep, that's all you need. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, if you guys are interested in picking one of these up, I'll put a link in the description down below. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. As always, make sure you hit the notification bell so you get updates about all my new content, and feel free to subscribe. All right, you guys take it easy.